I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power to the HVAC at the furnace and the circuit breaker to avoid sparks. Once done, remove the old thermostat and take a clear photo of the wire terminals. Then label each wire with tape so you won't mix colors. Make sure you identify a C wire now. Nest needs common power for steady operation. If there's no C wire, prepare the included adapter or schedule a quick add-on. This saves time later when you power up and pair the thermostat. You'll connect each labeled wire to the Nest base, match letters exactly R, W, Y, G, C, and push into the color-coded slots. The push-in connectors are simple and click when secure. Once wires are set, screw the base flat to the wall and tuck excess wire behind it so the display sits flush. Turn the breaker back on and watch Nest boot up. It performs a hardware check and asks you to confirm system type. Make sure to follow prompts for heat, cool, or heat pump. You finish setup in the Nest app. Connect Wi-Fi, sign in, set your home location, and confirm the HVAC configuration Nest detected. Once set, run the built-in heating and cooling tests to verify each stage works. Then create a simple schedule to save energy automatically. If the thermostat fails to power or shows intermittent behavior, make sure the breaker is on and the C wire is firmly seated. If problems persist, use the Nest power connector or call an electrician. That one check solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.